Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to renew your Zego insurance online. So first in your Google search bar, search for Renew Zego and click on this link that says how to renew your policy with Zego. And from this page, you can see ways to renew. First is follow the instructions in your renewal email. So when you receive your renewal email, it will include step-by-step guidance to help you set up your next policy seamlessly. You can also renew through the Zego app. Just open the latest version of the app and navigate to policies section, then just tap on renew now. You can also renew using the Zego Sense app. Ensure you have the most updated version of the app, then open the app, then just head over to the Policies tab, then just tap on Renew Now. Just follow the on-screen steps to finalize your renewal. And lastly, you can also renew via the Zego Delivery app. Just download or update to the latest version of the Zego Delivery app on your phone. Then just open the app and navigate to Policies section. Then just click on Renew Now and complete the process by following the prompts. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!